Okay, other video cuts off. I was just going to do the answer, but make sure you finish this. And x sub 1 is 12 here. So make sure you finish. And in slope-intercept form, distribute, multiply. Multiply on the side here, times 12. Cross cancel, that's a 4. Minus 4, right? If the area of a rectangle is this, so we're working with area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle, length times width, right? And if they say the area is 56, that goes under A. Find one of possible length and width. So it could be many. It could be length of 1, then width has to be 56. It could be length of 2, width has to be, what's half of that? That's 28, right? 3, 4, 4, and 14, right? Makes 56. So many possibility of what length and width is. So you choose. So all the possibility of what length is and then what width is. Okay. Explain how to find area of the shaded region. Include all steps with formulas and answer. Okay, let's first find area of triangle by multiplying (15 times 20) to get and divided by 2. To get 150 yards squared. Do Pythagorean theorem. To find, when missing length, to find length of the square, which is 25. Because you do a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. 15, that's 225 plus 4, that's 400, that's 625, and the square root of 625 is 25. That's how I got the 25 as answer of this length of this. And the width is also the same because it's the square. 25 yards. Find area of a square by multiplying 25 times 25 to get 625 yards squared. Last, add 625 with 150 to get 775 yards squared as total area. How you do that? Okay, this here for 25, you need to, every time you may change it into a decimal. Then you multiply by the total calorie right here. So 6 times, oh, just put Okay, and when you do that here, you get 210. Do that here, 2800. Here, 20 carried to 140. Okay, and then, no, 4, 5. Yeah, right? 4, 2. Yeah, that's one. Oh, this is 14. No wonder it didn't look right. 14 times 14. I need to use a calculator for that one. Yes, I can't multiply 14 times 35 in my head. $490. Okay, so you get 1 apple here. You get 2 servings, times it by 10 ounces, 20 ounces, and 14 ounces gets 2 times 14 is 28 ounces of Gatorade a day. So the boys need to eat, one boy needs to eat 1 apple. Okay. Now, if the high school coach team has 10 boys and the coach wants to feed them for 3 days, so 10 boys, 3 days. This is from 1 boy. So times 10. 200. Okay. And then for 3 days, times it by 3. 30 apples, 600 ounces of pasta, and 840 ounces of Gatorade. So that's what you need to answer here. Okay, sake of time, what type of transformation occurred to the left? It's a reflection over the x-axis. The distance of G and I. Okay. This is 2, this is 3. We want to find that. You can do Pythagorean theorem. And we get 4 plus 9. 13 equals to c squared. Take the square root. Square root of 13 is no calculators between 9 and 16. So 13 is plus 4 plus 3, closer to here. So it's 3.0 to 4.0. So it's 3.5 or 3.6. I'm going to try 3.6. 36 carried 3, 21, 18. Oh, very close to. Okay, 3.6. So C is 3.6. Or GI, the distance of GI is 3.6. Okay, write an equation of a line for H and I. H and I, oh, that's an easy one. H and I, equation of that line that goes through it. That's x negative 2, negative 2. Equation of line A. Oh, line A, here's line A. right? That is y equals to -1. Equation of GI. Oh, GI, you need to do point slope, right? -4 and 1 here, and this is -2 and 4. Okay, and this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, so finding slope is easy because to find slope, you're going up 3 over 2. So slope is up 3 over 2. And then use one of the points. I'm going to use -4. Let's erase a lot of these. Okay. This is up 3 over 2. This is -4 and 1. X sub 1, y sub 1. Y minus 1 equals 2. We're using point slope y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1 equals to m, which is 3 over 2, parentheses x minus a -4. So y minus 1 equals 3 over 2x. Add 6. Because 2 over 3 times, 3 over 2 times 4. 6 there. Okay, and then add 1, get y equals 3 over 2x plus 7. Okay, which letter in the image is congruent to HI? Okay, which one is congruent to HI? Okay, so HI is here. Which letter is congruent? B. Okay, what is the y-intercept? There's the y-intercept. 0, -2, or just -2. It's an easy one, right? An equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, y equals 2. Well, I got the y-intercept to -2. I need to find slope. So I'm going to do x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. -2 minus 2 over 0 minus -2. -4 over 2, and -2 is a +2. Hold on. Yes. Oh no, this is a +2. That's a +2. So the answer is negative. So the slope is a -2. So that slope we put right here. And that's the equation of a line. There you go.